Good morning. I have a special delivery for this address.
Hello, I wasn't expecting any packages today.
The GPS led me straight to this bright green door.
Many people get lost because the street numbers are very confusing.
Is your name Sarah Jenkins by any chance?
No, my name is Clara, and I have lived here for years.
That is strange. The manifest says House 17.
My house is actually number 7. The digit is just faded.
I see a small scratch on the metal plate that looks like a 1.
That explains why the mailman sometimes brings me extra bills.
This box is quite heavy and has a fragile sticker on top.
It also has a very beautiful red ribbon tied around the corner.
Maybe it is a birthday surprise from a secret admirer.
I highly doubt that, as my birthday was 3 months ago.
Let me check the secondary contact number on the shipping slip.
The ink is a bit blurry from the morning mist.
I can try to scan the QR code with my handheld device.
I hope your scanner has a better signal than my phone.
It is searching the central database for the correct customer profile.
The wind is picking up. Would you like to step inside?
I should stay on the porch to maintain a clear GPS lock.
I will hold my cocoa so I don't spill it on your shoes.
The device is beeping, but the screen remains completely blank.
Technology often decides to take a nap at the worst moments.
I might have to take the package back to the main hub.
Wait, Sarah Jenkins lives in the house at the end of the lane.
Is that the one with the tall oak tree in the front?
Yes, the house with the blue shutters and the white fence.
I must have turned left instead of going straight at the fountain.
Everyone makes that mistake when they are new to this neighborhood.
Do you think Sarah is home at this hour of the day?
She usually walks her golden retriever in the park nearby.
I cannot leave the box if nobody is there to sign.
The package looks very important with that elegant ribbon.
It came all the way from a small town in France.
Sarah often talks about her cousins who live near Paris.
This could be the vintage clock she was waiting for.
How do you know what is inside the cardboard walls?
The sender wrote clock parts in very small handwriting.
She is a collector of old things and loves to fix them.
I feel much better knowing the context of this delivery.
You look a bit tired from carrying that heavy weight.
This is my 10th delivery since the sun came up.
Being a courier is definitely a very demanding job.
It keeps me fit, but my back is starting to complain.
You should put the box down on the porch for a minute.
Good idea. The concrete is flat and very stable.
I can call Sarah on her mobile to see where she is.
That would be incredibly helpful for my schedule.
I am looking through my contacts for her name.
My tablet is finally showing the correct map route.
She is picking up the phone. I can hear the dog barking.
Tell her that the courier is waiting at Clara's house.
Sarah, your French package arrived at my door by mistake.
I can see her house from here if I stand on my toes.
She says she will be back in exactly 5 minutes.
I can wait that long if it means the job is done.
She is very excited and thanked us both for the help.
I'm glad we solved the mystery of the faded number.
It is a lucky thing I was home to receive the bell.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
The air smells like rain is coming very soon.
I hope the cardboard stays dry until Sarah arrives.
I have a plastic cover in my truck for such emergencies.
You are very prepared for the unpredictable weather.
Experience is a great teacher in this line of work.
How long have you been working for the Postal Service?
This is only my 2nd week on this specific route.
No wonder you are still learning the secrets of our lanes.
The older drivers told me about the confusing house numbers.
I should really paint my number with a bright black paint.
Or maybe use some reflective stickers for the nighttime.
That would help the emergency services too, just in case.
I see a person walking toward us with a big dog.
That is Sarah. She is wearing her bright red raincoat.
The dog looks very happy to see us on the porch.
His name is Barnaby, and he loves meeting new people.
I should probably have some dog treats in my pocket.
Barnaby is very polite and will not jump on your uniform.
I will get the electronic tablet ready for her signature.
Sarah is waving her hand from the end of the driveway.
I can feel the first drops of rain on my cap.
Let's move the box closer to the door for protection.
I will lift it gently to avoid shaking the delicate parts.
You handle the packages with a lot of respect, Victor.
Every box is someone's treasure or a needed tool.
That is a very beautiful way to look at your career.
It makes the long hours feel much more rewarding.
Sarah is almost here. She looks quite out of breath.
I am ready to complete the delivery of the year.
The red ribbon is still perfectly tied on the top.
I cannot wait much longer because my schedule is very tight.
I understand, but it would be a shame to take the clock back.
The rules say I must return the item to the warehouse if nobody signs.
What if I sign for her as a trusted neighbor?
I can allow that if you are willing to take full responsibility.
We have lived next to each other for over 10 years now.
That is a long time to build such a strong friendship.
I even have a spare key to her front porch gate.
Then let's move the package to her house together right away.
I will put my cocoa down and grab my large umbrella.
The sky is getting darker and the wind is picking up speed.
I will walk beside you to keep the cardboard dry.
I am lifting the box again. It feels even heavier this time.
Watch your step. The wooden stairs can be quite slippery.
I have good boots, so I should be able to keep my balance.
Follow me through the small gap in the garden hedge.
This is a very beautiful shortcut between the two houses.
It saves us from walking all the way around the main road.
I can see the blue shutters of Sarah's house ahead of us.
The porch is covered, so the box will be safe from the rain.
I am glad you decided to help me solve this delivery problem.
I would want someone to do the same for me if I were away.
Most people just close the door and tell me to come back later.
Well, this neighborhood is famous for its friendly spirit.
I can certainly feel that warmth despite the cold morning air.
We're almost there, just 5 more meters to the door.
I am shifting the weight to my left shoulder for a moment.
I'm holding the umbrella as high as I can for you.
You are doing a great job of protecting the precious cargo.
Teamwork makes even a heavy delivery feel like a light task.
Here we are. The porch is wide and stays completely dry.
Place it right next to the white rocking chair, Victor.
I am lowering it slowly so I don't disturb the internal parts.
I can hear a soft metallic clink from inside the box.
That must be the pendulum or the brass bells of the clock.
I will use my digital stylus to sign your tablet now.
I am selecting the Delivered to Neighbor option in the menu.
I am signing my name, Clara, in the center of the screen.
The system is asking me to take a photo of the package location.
Move back a bit so you can see the red ribbon in the shot.
The flash is bright against the gray shadows of the porch.
The photo looks very professional and clear on your device.
It serves as proof that the delivery was handled with care.
I will leave a handwritten note for Sarah on her front door.
Do you have a pen and a piece of paper in your pocket?
I always keep a small notepad in my sweater for ideas.
I am impressed by your level of organization and preparation.
Dear Sarah, your French clock is safe on your porch. Love, Clara.
That is short, sweet, and tells her everything she needs to know.
I am sticking the note to the glass with a bit of tape.
I feel much better about leaving the item here with you.
I will keep an eye on her house until I see her return.
I wish every delivery had such a happy and logical ending.
You just need to find the right neighbor to help you out.
I will remember this green door and the house number 7.
Next time, you will know exactly where to turn at the fountain.
I am marking the correction in my personal navigation notes.
The rain is really starting to pour down on the garden now.
We should head back to our dry places before we get soaked.
Let's run back through the hedge to your waiting truck.
I am standing by my van, and I am finally out of the rain.
I am closing my umbrella and shaking off the water drops.
Thank you for going out of your way to help me today, Clara.
It was a pleasure to meet such a dedicated young worker.
I hope the rest of your day is as peaceful as this morning.
I am going to finish my cocoa and start painting that number.
Use a very bright color so I can see it from the road.
I think a deep black or a navy blue would be perfect.
I am climbing into the driver's seat and starting the engine.
Drive safely on those wet and winding country roads, Victor.
I will be extra careful at every intersection and corner.
I will tell Sarah all about your excellent service tonight.
I really appreciate the kind words and the moral support.
The red ribbon on that box was a very nice touch from France.
It made the whole package feel like a special event.
I am waving goodbye as you pull away from my driveway.
I am waving back and honking the horn twice as a thank you.
The sound echoes through the quiet lane and wakes up the birds.
I am shifting the gears and moving toward my next destination.
I am stepping back inside my warm and cozy living room.
I have 19 more packages to deliver before the day ends.
I feel like I have done something very useful this morning.
Every successful delivery gives me a boost of positive energy.
I am looking out the window at the empty porch next door.
I am already thinking about the next mystery in my truck.
The clock will be a wonderful surprise for my dear friend.
I am turning the corner and leaving the lane behind me.
The world is a better place when people talk to each other.
Goodbye, Clara, and thank you for the digital rescue today.
Goodbye, Victor, and may all your deliveries be this smooth.